He shot you.
Aha! Meet Chioma, final year student for LASU, Department of No Moneyology. Her account balance dey always greet her like invalid pin. But one day, she see plantain for market, na so her brain click o. Na so Chioma carry her last 5k, the one wey suppose be her data money, run go market. She buy 10 big plantain for 2,500.
Jesus.
She come buy oil and salt 1,000 naira,
Funke.
transparent nylon 500
Funke.
naira, transport 1,000 naira. Her total investment na 5k. First week, Chioma turn to cheap queen. She sell 200 naira per pack. 50 packs come become 10,000 naira. Her profit 5,000 naira.
Jesus.
But problem come when her economics lecturer catch her selling in class. Chioma smartly give him free sample. Now she get license to sell for back row. Now, make we do the Ijebu math. Chioma dey reinvest 70% profit every week. 30% she take am chop indomie. Watch how 5,000 naira become 40.9 million naira in 30 weeks. Week 1, capital 5,000, profit 3,500, new capital 8,500, frying in hostel. Na so week by week come enter week 5, her capital become 39,000. Profit wey she come get on top 39,000, e reach 27,300 naira. Her new capital come become 66,300. She come try buy small generator wey she dey use seal the nylon. Na so she dey do come reach week 10, her capital don become 605,000. The profit wey she make for that week 10 na 423,500. Her new capital don enter 1 million o, 1,028,500. As she get that kind big money, na so she hire 3 campus guys make dey help her dey do delivery. From week 10 e enter week 20, her capital, as she do the mathematics, the thing don enter 82.7 million o. The profit wey she come get, because that time she don dey supply people for traffic, reach almost 57.9 million. Her new capital enter 140.6 million. Na so she open cheap palace, cheap shop for almost all the campuses wey dey for Lagos. Sotey the thing enter week 30. Week 30, I no go tell you the amount wey she get. But wetin come happen na say Chioma, when we see Chioma for inside sunshade, she dey board jet. She label am, the jet dey label the jet Air Chips, whether the jet na her own o abi no be her own o, me I no for know.
Jesus.
But all this wealth no come just like that easy o. Na so challenge she face. In fact, for week 3, power no dey. She dey fry using candle. She dey fry am. Hostel almost burn. For week 12, one rival cheap mafia come try to start to dey frustrate her. Na so Chioma retaliate. Shima add for her packaging say free pepper. For week 25, Lagos state government dey start to dey knock for her door. Dey dey demand for tax. Na so Chioma dash all the officers sample. Matter settle, matter don close. Now Chioma get factory for Ikeja with 50 workers wey dey call her Madam Chips. She dey export, she get contract wey she dey use export am to Dubai. Arab men dey buy her chips with hot pepper. And na so she get private jet with logo, no
He shot
snacks,
you.
no flight. Na so she come start the big business.
No be juju be that.
Her advice to you, start with wetin you get. No wait for big money. If power no dey, use firewood. If firewood finish, use anger. No let anybody laugh you, dey go soon beg for franchise.